Converting dictionary to list. I'm trying to convert a Python dictionary into a Python list in order to perform some calculations. That's my attempt at it. But I can't work out what's wrong.
Your problem is that you have key and value in quotes making them strings, i.e. you're setting a key to contain the string key and not the value of the variable key. Also, you're not clearing out the temp list, so you're adding to it each time, instead of just having 2 items in it. To fix your code, try something like you don't need to copy the loop variable's key and value into another variable before using them, so I dropped them out. Similarly, you don't need to use append to build up a list, you can just specify it between square brackets as shown above. And we could have done dictlist.append key, value, if we want it to be as brief as possible. Or just use dict.items as has been suggested.
Does the trick.
Converting from dict to list is made easy in Python. 3 examples.
You should use dict.items. Here is a one-liner solution for your problem. End result. All you can do. 4.